like the way you hypnotize me. You got me feeling not so well. I think it must be a smile, 'cause I've seen it before and it always makes me fuzzy. Could be that I am now succumbing to some hot, long-forgotten spell. You're close enough now to catch me. If I should fall for your eyes, they make me dizzy. You must have learned those tricks in heaven, for there's nothing here on earth that can compare. Perhaps I need a doctor who practices some rare voodoo. Or maybe I should see a shrink, or better yet, a good stiff drink. I like the feeling that you give me right here between my head and toes. You know I cannot resist, for there'll soon be a kiss, and I love the milk and honey. You must have learned those tricks in heaven, for there's nothing here on earth that can compare. No, there's nothing here on earth that can compare.